My name is Kamal, and behind the screen, my co-partner Harshit. So basically, we are the first year student of IFMR GSB. And when last year I was searching for the IFMR, I had a lot of questions regarding the sports facilities, classes, and how the hostel facilities look like. So I don't want you guys to face the similar problem. So I'm making a complete campus tour in which I'll be covering all these things. So let's start this video from the start. So we have this biometric system in which no one can access or come inside or go outside the campus without scanning their face. We'll quickly go to the academic block. Here the second year student classes are conducted. So in IFMR there are two academic blocks. This is the first one and the oldest one. We'll cover first this one and later on we'll cover the second one. Come. Firstly, we'll see the amenities we have in the first building. So we have ATM. Although हमने कभी इसको यूज़ नहीं किया है in our past 6 months, but still किसी को अगर money withdraw करनी है तो we have this facility. And this one is parcel delivery office. So जितने भी आपके online couriers होते हैं, they are delivered to this office and you can receive the parcels in your convenient time. Now we will see the seminar hall. यहाँ पे हमारे सारे events वगैरह conduct होते हैं. In total we have 3 floors in this building. First floor पे और second floor पे हमारे MBA की classes conduct होती है. And this is the vision and mission of Kriya University. You can see it will helpful for your interviews. And other than that, we'll just quickly go to cafeteria. So this is the cafeteria of JSW building. This is basically open till 5 or 6 o'clock. Here you will be getting all the necessary items like chips, kurkura, cold drink and all. So this is the second floor of JSW building. यहाँ पे हमारे second year MBA students की classes conduct होती है. We'll quickly see the classrooms. So this is how our classroom looks like. So all the classes somewhat look similar to this class. So we'll now go to OAT, the open air theatre, जहाँ पे हमारे सारे events वगैरह conduct होते हैं. So this is the open air theatre of our college. यहाँ पे हमारे लास्या वगैरह सारे events conduct होते हैं. This is how it looks like in day. And this is how it looks like in night time. So this is the library of Kriya University, or it is open till 1 o'clock. So this is the second cafeteria of our college. Here you will be getting your snacks, drinks, cold drink, everything till 1 o'clock in night. So this is the second academic block of our college. So now my co-host Harshit will taking you through this building.
So this is new academic building of our campus, and this was opened last year, and our MBA first year students classes is conducting in this building. So let's go. So right now in our campus, in Mark 2025, the marketing conference is going on. So let's go to the first floor and let's see the classes of our MBA batch. So in NAB we have two type of classrooms. So first type of classroom we will see.
Okay, fine. Thank you, ma'am.
So this completes the tour of new academic building. So now we will see the sports facilities in the campus. Let's go. So this is our volleyball ground, जहाँ पे चारों तरफ नेट्स वगैरह लगी हुई है. This is our basketball ground. And so this side of basketball court we have mini football and cricket turf. So this is how it looks like in a day.
And this is how it looks like in night time.
So now we will look at the badminton court. So yeah, this is our badminton court, जहाँ पे 4 courts है badminton के लिए. So this is how it looks like in a day. So this is the perimeter walk and the lake view of our campus. And along with this lake, we have this perimeter walk. So this perimeter walk is open from 6 AM to 6 PM. It is approximately 1 kilometer walk along with this lake. So this video is getting long. We will end this video here and we will continue in the second part. Guys, if you like this video, do like and share with your friends.